Hi, today I've reviewed Lenovo Tab M7 and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. First, let's open our control panel, and if you want to add here some options or remove some of them or just to change their positions, we should click to this edit icon, and here you'll see this down section with all of the invisible options. If you want to, for example, add the hotspot, just hold the option, the icon, and drag it to this up section. By the same way, if you want to remove some of the options, just hold the icon and drag it to the down section. And just to change the positions of the icons, we should just hold them and drag it by this way. Then just click to go back to save the changes. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.